Greetings, business leaders of Dandenong. We are the Chamber of Commerce.
Over the many years, we've done many things for your business. Like me buying you that coffee. Remember that coffee?
Today, we need to ask you for a favour.
Every year, we run Carols by Candlelight, a great family event that promotes community spirit.
Research shows that today's internet generation are just not as into candles as they should be.
And that's why we need fireworks. Yes, fireworks.
And that's why we're asking you, wonderful business community of Dandenong, to contribute whatever you can to make this a reality.
And here are some reasons why.
So as you can see, happiness is in direct correlation to explodiness, yeah? Furthermore, happiness leads to consumer confidence, which means money.
Look, there's some local consumers. Are you guys coming to the Carol by Candlelight this year?
Are they going to be like fireworks?
Sorry, no.
Are you serious?
Yes, sorry.
That'd be some joke. Now I don't feel like investing in Greater Dandenong anymore. And I wanted to buy a lawyer.
I wanted to get that caravan.
How sad. All because we don't have any fireworks.
So now you can see, everyone benefits from your contribution. Make Dandenong a better place.
Contribute what you can to our crowdsourced fireworks appeal.
You should help us share the love with some explosive. I don't care if they're cheap, just give us some money. Seriously now, we don't have any money. You should give us some love and some explosives. I mean, just money for explosives. Just some money for explosives. Just money for explosives. But seriously, money. Seriously now, we don't have any money. You should give us some love and some explosives. I mean, just money for explosives. Just some money for explosives. Just money for explosives. But seriously, money.